Hello everyone, and hope you guys going well. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change country name on Google Play Store, and that's pretty easy. So open your Play Store, tap on your profile picture at the right bottom corner, select the payments and subscriptions option, go to payment method option, and here you can see the option more payment settings, and this one will user. And the process will take a little bit more time, so you just need to be patient. And tap on the T horizontal lines and select the option settings. And here you can see option country or region. You need to create a new payments profile while you move to a new country or region. Create new profile and your process will be going through by select continue. And in here you can choose a country or region. So that's it. But here you just need to mind that if you change country name on Google Play Store, there is a rule. You are not able to change this country name before 12 months or 1 year. So you need to be very careful that you are confirmed you will stay in this country 12 months or 1 year. So that's it. Hope this video may helpful to you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections and keep in touch with us.